of my favorite reasons for crafting is the opportunity to recycle. Like this little notepad that I made with leftover scrapbook paper. I'm gonna share some of my tips, and then why don't you guys share some of your favorite recycling tips in the comments. Save on electricity by using hand tools when you can. Don't throw the paint water down the sink. Pour it in a cardboard box, let it dry in the sun, and then you can cut up the box and use it on more crafts. You can use it to layer up your paper crafting or use it to construct shadow boxes or earrings. Back in the day, we used to cut up cardboard boxes and make magnets. It worked perfectly. Next, take a break from working inside, shut down your studio, and work outside when it's cool. And your t-shirts, don't throw them away, cut them up to make t-shirt yarn, and then you can crochet something cool like these drink coasters. Plastic bags, use them for stuffing. What are your ideas?